The way that I harvest my garlic is I dig them up in midsummer, and then I dry them out initially on the ground and then bundle them all up and put them in a cardboard box. And then after that, I put them in the garage and I forget about them for a good couple of months. And now they're bone dry and they're perfect for sorting, for replanting, and also for braiding. So that's what I'm going to do just now. I'm going to look through these, find the best ones to put back in the allotment because they can grow again from year to year, no problem. And then I'm going to braid the rest into a lovely garlic plait that I can hang in the kitchen. I've chosen the best looking ones, so the fattest, the most unblemished, the ones with the most cloves. These ones are the ones that are going to be going back out into the garden. And then the ones that are left over are going to the pots. With the garlic sorted, I'm going to start braiding the rest. And I'm going to move the camera around so you can just get a little bit of a better view to see what I'm doing. If you're going to have the garlic hanging in the house, you need to clean it off a little bit. You can just brush whatever dirt is left on the bulbs off and the outer shell as well. It's pretty easy. Then you line 2 up. The third one fits right there. And you can either start braiding at this point, or it's easier to actually tie it. And you can use string, you could use a hair tie, even a rubber band if you can get it around there. And then the rest of it is really easy. It's pretty much like braiding your hair. So if you've ever done that, you'll be able to do this no problem. Let's get that a little bit tighter. So now you have 3 stems here, and that's how you're going to start braiding it together. So you've got the 2 bulbs there, 1 there. You're just going to keep alternating, cleaning, and braiding them together. So we're going to set this one here to the side. Have the stem along the middle and then fold it under. Then we're going to do it again on this side. Clean this guy off. Bring its stem to the middle and then fold it under. And you just keep repeating this all the way up. As I'm putting the garlic on, I'm alternating. So I'm putting one on this side, one on the other side, and then one on the middle. And that keeps it relatively balanced. But if you notice yours getting a gap in it, you obviously don't have to follow that rule. Just place the garlic wherever it seems like it needs to go. Well, I would say that that's it for this variety. So what I'll do is I'll just continue braiding up. Well, I think that should do for the braid. Some people do tie it off with itself at the top, and some people actually form a loop as well. I don't bother. Just put a bit of string around to hold it. And then if you have a nail on the wall, it will go right through the stems right there. No problem at all. And here you have it. What do you think? Well, as usual, I've lost track of time and it's time for me to go home. I haven't gotten the garlic in. I'm just gonna have enough time to pick some raspberries and then I'm gonna have to shoot off. But it's been wonderful being out here in the sun. The allotment garden has survived the flooding. The bees have as well. And I've got some garlic braided. So I was actually thinking, since I didn't get the garlic done this time, how about I make a video for next time all about growing garlic? Do you think that that would benefit you? Would you like to understand a bit more as to how you can grow garlic as well? If so, leave me a comment down below and I'll be sure to make that coming right up. In any case, thanks so much for watching this episode of Lovely Greens. I hope you took something from it, and I will see you next time, so in about a week. Bye for now.